What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am Hey, don't do that. Today I am unveiling the new car to everybody's support. I'm gonna go park somewhere and talk because this obviously isn't working. And we're back. Okay, so the unveiling of the new car. So like I said, to everybody's surprise, I bought a BMW. It is a 2007 328 Xi, so it's the all-wheel drive model. So it's not the top of the line. It doesn't have the sport package. It doesn't have navigation, but I snagged it for a price that I thought was pretty fair. It came with 3 sets of wheels and tires, so the ones that are currently on it. It came with a set of Winters, 18-inch aftermarket, and a set of the stock 16-inch with the run flat all seasons. So I'm pretty happy with what it came with. The car itself only has 130,000 kilometers on it. I've already changed the oil. I've got spark plugs to toss in there. I've just got the basic maintenance stuff to do because I don't really know when the last time it was done. The guy has receipts, but he honestly drove it like 15,000 kilometers in the past 3 years. So it's done a lot of sitting. That being said, the paint is in really good condition, but it definitely needs some work. It needs a clay bar, it needs a polish. You can run your hand over it and you feel all the little burrs and stuff. It's got the typical rail dust specs where the rusting, it's not actual rust, it's just the contaminants in the paint rusting. So I really like to do that. I've kind of got a few plans for it, nothing extravagant, but it's just gonna be a comfortable daily driver. And I'm looking forward to kind of putting my own spin on it. So far, I've had a pretty good experience with it. It's really comfortable. It's probably the most comfortable car I've owned. It is smooth, it's quiet, too quiet. It's got everything I need. It's got sunroof, it's got AC, it's got heated seats for the winter, and I wouldn't ask for anything more. It would be nice to have the navigation and the iDrive and whatever that's, that whole system, but honestly, I can live without it, especially when the ones with those features were, $1,500 to $2,500 more. I just wanted something to drive. It's in really good condition body-wise. There's no really major dings or dents. The interior is really, really clean. There's only a small rip in the driver's seat. Other than that, I mean, the headliner is clean, the carpets, the driver's side carpet could use some cleaning, but that's a given for a car that was probably driven in the winter. Other than that, I mean, everything is pretty clean, everything is in great shape. The engine is the 3-liter N52 motor. I think it produces like 230 horsepower, rated from BMW, so I've seen dyno sheets that range from 180 to 210. Not a lot for a 3-liter, but it's fun, it revs really quick, it's smooth, it's comfortable, it's what I need. Other than that, I'm really happy with the car. I know some of you are probably going to be like, you shouldn't have done that, it's not great, you're going to hate it. And other people are going to be like, yeah, it's a good, respectable car, it's comfortable, it's, not a slouch, but it's not crazy fast. I will never say that this car is fast. It is not. It's nimble? Maybe. It's not a Civic, but it's definitely not my WRX. There's a very big difference between those two. Plans on the horizon. So, I want to do an exhaust, even just a muffler delete. That's super common. It sounds really good on these cars. So that's one thing that's definitely there for me. I've already got a set of lowering springs, the M Sport performance lowering springs. Because it's the Xi model, it sits a little bit higher. The wheel gap just isn't doing it for me, so I picked a set of those up for really, really cheap. I need to look at a wheel and tire setup, so that's one thing that I'm gonna consider, and which I may have already bought. And there's really not a whole lot more I'd like to do. I'm considering wrapping it. I've got a hookup for a front lip. So a couple things that I'd like to do. I'd really like to get your opinion on some things that I could do, or waking it up, something to really make it my own, and give me some ideas on what you guys would like to see. I hope you like the car. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, or the Miata. The Miata stuff is coming up soon. So let me know, guys, what you want to see, what you like to see, if you had fun. If you enjoy the car, drop a like. If you don't like it, just leave a comment. Let me know what you don't like about it, because I'd really like to see your guys' opinions. So thanks for watching, guys. Let's see you guys on the next video. Subscribe. Peace out.